How to get Uber Eats bag. To get Uber Eats bag, you have to sign up as a driver first. Open any of your preferred web browser. Go to the search bar on the top and search for Uber Eats driver sign up. After searching for it, click on the first link that appears. Now you will land to the official website of Uber. Here you should see the option to get started. Click on Get Started. If you already have an Uber account, then you can log in or you can create a new account. There are also options available where you can continue with Google or continue with Apple. To fill out the form, you will need a government issued ID, driver's license, proof of insurance, and profile picture. Then you will need to wait for the approval. Once approved, you can log in to the Uber Eats driver app or you can visit the nearest hub. In some cities, Uber will send you a free starter kit including a delivery bag. Or you can simply type in Uber Eats bag on your web browser and this will pop up. Or search for buy an insulated Uber Eats bag. You can select these two options. After that, a list of bags will be showed up which you'll be able to add to cart and buy them. Or you can sign up as a driver to get these bags for free. That's all for today. Thank you.